Hey you, have you been looking to get started with your non-medical home care agency in Michigan? Guess what? In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to take you from having a dream of starting a home care agency to becoming your own boss. So let's boss up and stay tuned. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Denis. I am the home care agency startup and growth expert. And what we do, we help overworked, burnout, frustrated nurses and healthcare professionals start their own profitable home care agencies so they can have more flexibility, more freedom, and more income. And to date, we have helped over 350 home care agencies get started and grow. So that means we know the step-by-step process on how to get you from having this as a dream to make it become a reality. So let's dive in here. So in order to get started with your non-medical home care agency in Michigan, there are a few steps that you have to follow. The very first step is to choose a name. You're gonna need a name for your business. You're gonna need a good name, a name that is catchy, a name that is remarkable, a name that people are gonna remember, a name that's gonna inspire your potential client. So you have to have a name. Step two, you need to verify the name. So what does that mean? When you have a name, it's your job to do your due diligence and make sure nobody else has the same name or a similar name. That's really important because if you don't do that and you find out years later somebody else has the same name, they can actually take legal actions against you and tell you to stop using their name. That's not something that we want. So in order to prevent that is to make sure that you check the name and verify the name before it is even done, okay? So that's what you need to do. Third step, you need to register your business name with your Secretary of State, right? You may have heard people say, hey, I just got my LLC. That's what they mean. They registered their business with the Secretary of State. Every business, it doesn't matter what you sell, water, nails, whatever, home care agency, you need to register your business and make it legal. Don't do things under the table. Register your business the right way with the Secretary of State, so that way you can be an official business, right? And then once you've done that, your next step is to get your employer identification number. It's really important that you get your employer identification number. The best way I can explain it, it's like a social security number for your business. It's really important, okay? Super important, okay? So make sure you get that, because you don't want to get in trouble with Uncle Sam, you know? Uncle Sam be watching you and looking for you, so don't get in trouble with Uncle Sam. So now that you get this, your next step is really to compile your policy and procedures, employee manual, client manual together, and I'm gonna explain what are those. So to run a home care agency, you're gonna need what we call a policy and procedure manual. That is the manual that you use to govern your business. So for us here at our consulting company, Home Care Bosses United, when we're writing policy and procedure manual, which is a very tedious process, even for professionals like us, we add 3 subcategories to our policy and procedure manual. And the subcategories into our policy and procedures manual is that we write an administrative policies and procedure, right? So administrative policy has everything to do with how you govern the business, how you run the business, everything administrative. Then you need a personnel policy, right? Personnel policy has to go with everything that has to do with the personnel policies, like how do you, everything, the relationship with your employees. And then we need client policies that has everything with the relationship with our clients. Oh, that's really important. Then we also need our employee, all of our human resources documents, such as the employee handbook, employee contracts, all of those things. We need to have it so we can be a legit business, right? We're not doing no small stuff. We really legit as Apple, Samsung, all the big businesses that we know in the world, right? We may be small now, but we know where we're headed. So we have to make sure we're legit and the foundation of our business is built on solid rock. You also gonna need a client, all of your client files, which include client handbook, client agreement. Because guess what? You're gonna need paperwork. When you're doing business, you don't want to just doing business. Oh, this client say they're gonna sign up. Mm-mm. You need a contract. You need them to sign a legal binding contract that say they're gonna pay you. Because if they don't have a contract, they're not responsible to pay you. Why should they pay you? Why? You know? So you have to have a contract, all of this stuff. So once you have those paperwork together, the 6 steps is training. You need to get trained. It's important that you get trained on how to run the business. This is where you learn how to recruit, how to hire, how to fire. Yes, firing is part of the game, because if you have somebody on your team and they're not getting you where you need to go, you need to fire them fast. Do not hesitate. You need to fire them fast, okay? So that's what you learn, how to recruit, how to hire, how to fire, how to run the business the day-to-day, all of those things. So you want to make sure you get the trainings to get started. And once you get all those things, guess what? Now you can launch your business. You can launch your business, do a launch day, do your ribbon cutting, and say, hey, my business is here, right? So I know you're super excited right now, like, wow, I needed this information. This was so good. You dropped so much value in there. I'm so glad you got value. So all I'm asking you, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel so you can get notified when I put more videos like this. But also I have more resources available for you to get you through this journey. So click the description below and click on the resources that we have there for you. Okay, so click the link below and get on the resources that we have ready for you. Okay.